Hello, my dear students. It's time for listening strategies. Now we are going to read some listening strategies regarding listening to words in context or sentences. These tips are going to help you when you listen to words in context and try to guess their meaning. Let's look at the first tip together. It says here, before you listen, read the words carefully so that the pronunciation is familiar. So you need to learn the pronunciation before you start listening. Pronounce correctly before you start listening. Why? So that you are able to recognize the word in context. Got it? Now let's look at tip number 2. Think about the words. Try to identify as much detail as you can. Are they verbs, nouns, or adjectives? Are they singular or plural? And if they have capital letters, and what does that tell you? Now, the part of speech is very important to know if the word is a verb, a noun, or adjective, or an adverb at least. And also, knowing that if it is plural or singular, that helps you when you listen also to recognize the word. And the last thing, if it is capital, if it begins with a capital letter. Because if a word begins with a capital letter, that means it is a proper noun. يعني اسم علم, not a noun. What does that mean? Let me give you an example. For example, a car, the word car is a noun, but Mercedes with capital M, it's a proper noun. Now, another example, okay. A boy or boy is a noun, but Jamal, Ali, Rashid are nouns, and they are always capitalized. Now, with proper nouns, what you have to do is simply translate them as they are, sometimes with slight differences. For example, Jordan, Al-Urdun, Syria, Syria. These are called proper nouns. Now, the last tip. Listen out for each word and concentrate carefully on the context as well as on the general meaning of the text. So I need to understand the general meaning of the text so that I am able to work out the meaning of the single word, which is the target word. So understanding the general meaning helps me to single out the word that I'm looking for, its meaning. So in the next part, we are going to listen to words, and you are going to follow these strategies before and while you are listening. See you in the next part.